Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Anwar Fatih Mustafa. Today I want to uh, my reflection of second semester. In this second semester, I have reflect myself. It's now my vision is for to make my academic number are increased in civic, social, math, and other subjects. For that, I must do more hard work to be study, and also must follow what are what are the parents say to me, or not sleep tonight. And I also done make a bit things in school from my economics. This can be entered to my brain. Not only that, in the first semester, I have been many problems such as there is I fighting with my friend, so I will now be responsible for what will be affect to my friend. And also from now I will be going to be kind and also goodness to all people. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.